Folks, Jared down here.
Jethro coming to you here from Redwater Dodge.
Redwater Dodge.
I am standing in front of this beautiful brand new 2025 Ram 1500 Warlock. We're blowing it out, which is the best part of this whole thing.
We have a massive discount going on this one right now.
Over $10,000 off on this one.
$10,165 off of the sale price, getting your sale price all the way down there to $61,595.
We're selling it for $61,595.
On top of that, you're going to get a great interest rate down to 4.99% over 96 months on approved credit.
Under the hood, you got the new Hurricane engine. Awesome engine, built for tugboats, pulls like crazy, great on fuel. Since this is a Warlock, you got the steel bumpers front and back. You do have the sensors in the bumpers, so you're not going to be bumping in anything. It's got the new grille. Inside, it's really nice actually. You got the 40-20-40 split bench seats. You got the 8.4-inch screen. Really well equipped. So to get into a brand new 2025 Warlock for under $62,000 is fantastic. Don't wait till this one's gone, folks.
If it interests you guys, give us a call down here at Redwater Dodge, 780-942-3629.
Check us out online.